What's up, you guys? I hope you're all having an awesome day in the markets. I know I have, personally. So today I wanted to make this really quick video and let you guys know um, where it is that I bought AMD and where it is that I'm selling AMD. Now, from a fundamental standpoint, I still like AMD and I don't see nothing wrong with holding AMD stock. But from a technical standpoint, I definitely see reasons to be selling this stock. All right, so first I want to show you guys where it is that I actually bought AMD because I actually have been holding AMD for um, probably almost a year. So I bought AMD right around this point because now see because I hold stocks for like a year or longer, it's real easy for me to do technical analysis because I don't typically go no lower than a daily chart. But right now we're on a weekly chart, so I'll just draw this out. I like to use the Fibonacci levels, so I bought here at the test of the 618, and I'm gonna remove this because I got a lot of support and resistance lines going. Uh, so yeah, I bought around about here at about $12, and then I went ahead and sold part of my position at a retest of the highs, which turned out to be a good thing. But looking back in hindsight, but then we had this correction, and I believe I bought a few more shares down in here just because it was below my cost basis, so I was dollar cost averaging down. So then after that, I just pretty much just held the stock. It had one of these moves and that and all that. And so I just held through all that. And then we had this beautiful rally to the upside. And if you was one of the lucky ones who got in at around about the $9 to $10 range, you're looking at about a what 76% gain and about what was that back in so about 2 months. And within about 2 months or a little over 2 months span, you're looking at about 76% gain. That is awesome. But this is the thing. Because we've had such a strong rally, I would expect some sort of a pullback at some point. And so with the anticipation, yeah, with the anticipation of a pullback coming here soon, I decided to go ahead and sell majority of my shares at around about 17.13. I did that this morning. So I sold about the majority of my shares. I still own some because, like I said, fundamentally, I still like AMD as a stock. And so I went ahead and just sold out my initial investment. So what I initially put in, I went ahead and sold enough shares to be able to pull that back out. So now I'm just working with the profits. So really, there's no risk involved at all. I've pulled all my risk out of this stock. So I'm just playing with profits at this point. So if we do get a pullback, where would this pull back to? I'm definitely looking at this $14 to $15 range right here because as you can see, uh, we have resistance, 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 and then it broke through. And so, as you know, previous resistance turns into new support. So if we do get a pullback, I'm definitely looking at about this range. So if you are not already in this stock and you are looking to buy this stock, I personally, I don't chase stocks, so I won't buy at a high, but so I would not be buying at the $17 area. Like I said, if you already own some shares and say you bought somewhere anywhere within this range or something and you're up massively, just go ahead and take some profit off. There's nothing wrong with taking profit off at this point. I see nothing wrong with that. And but like I said, if you are not already invested in this, I'd wait and see if we can get that pullback right there, and then I'd pull the trigger on buying this stock. Not only that, let's see if we got any Fibonacci. Okay, yeah. So we got about 382, just right around that area too. And what is that? 1419 or so, 1420. So yeah, we can get a pullback, decent pullback right back in here. I would not see no problems with buying at that point. But As I said, I would not be buying AMD at this current level. I'd be selling, as I did. So anyway, oh, and not only that, we also have our stochastics massively overbought. So that's another factor to put in. And mind you, I'm looking at a weekly chart. So there's not as much noise and commotion going on as you would see like on a 1 hour chart. You see on a 1 hour chart, it's just uh, just all over the place, right? But on a weekly chart, I find that on weekly charts, looking at overbought and oversold indicators on a weekly chart for stocks tends to be more of a verifiable type of overbought, oversold condition versus looking at a 1 hour chart and it being overbought on a 1 hour chart really doesn't play too much into looking at, um, future price action, you know? So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you have a great day. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. Uh, Leave a comment below on your thoughts on AMD stock. Are you buying AMD? Are you selling AMD? And till next time, peace.